I would take my dreamboat to this magical place full of unicorns. In this land, I'm gonna play with the unicorns and I'm gonna eat cotton candy and they smell like cotton candy. This is the best world ever. And I will also take my dreamboat to the world under the sea. And there, I can breathe underwater, which is totally amazing. And I can swim with all the mermaids and fishes. And there's also jellyfish. And we would race the jellyfish across the ocean. I also like to take my dreamboat and visit Barbie. We like to go to the wispy forest because she can make my hair into anything I want. My favorite is when she makes it into a bow tie. I had the best time there.